Uh-oh, Ellis. What's that?
The car's stuck in the mud.
They're stuck in the mud?
Yeah.
Fun with Ellis. Whoa, look at all the water. Look, it's loosening up the cars. They're not stuck anymore.
We're saving the cars. Get them out of there. Aw, Ellis is already getting muddy. Look at this one, helicopter. Beep.
Look at your feet, Dad.
Ah, muddy. Look at this, bud. Oh, dump truck. Beep. He can pick up crews, and he can pick up the shark car and get him out of the water. You want to try that? Put him in the back. Oh, look, it's like a brand new car. And then put in crews. Hey, make way for me! Beep, 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 beep. Look at the tracks it's making in the dirt. Wow. Whoa! There's a rock in the way. We're stuck. Ellis, can you help me move that rock? All right, thanks, buddy. Drop it in. Woo! Look at this. It's like a cool stream. Wow. Oh, he's tipping over. Uh-oh. Rescue. Call the rescue vehicles, Ellis.
Okay.
Rescue! Rescue! Here they come, here they come! Rescue team is on the way! What's the problem, guys? Another fire truck! Oh, they're all tipped over. Help them, Ellis.
Okay. 2,
1,
3,
2.
and 4.
All right. Nice work, team. Beep, beep. Call us anytime. What do I hear, Ellis? I hear a dinosaur. Do you hear the dinosaur? Guys, there's a dinosaur coming. Everyone run. Hey, guys. I was just trying to play. I'm a nice dinosaur. Oh, hi, Lightning McQueen. How you doing?
I'm stuck in the middle.
Can I help you?
Yeah.
All right, T-Rex is coming to the rescue. Boom, boom, boom. All right, buddy. Hey, thanks for the help. Ka-chow. Does anybody else need help?
I'm stuck turning the clean water.
Oh, I'm coming for you, Cruz. Boom, 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 boom. Now I've got really short hands, so I gotta use my feet. But I'm coming to get you. Hang on, Cruz. Woo! She made it out. What do you got there, buddy? Oh, Zuma! He's the other part of my rescue team. Hop on, bud. Dun-a-dun-a-dun-a-dun. Let's see. All right, Zuma and T-Rex to the rescue. Wow! Oh, you found the swamp car. Cool. That's like an old police car. Wow, and it's brown all over. Is it brown from the mud or is it a brown car? Brown car. Cool. Let's put him in the dump truck. Boop! Right. So look, this is the track, but then they're gonna have to go through the rough terrain right here and make it out. And then this is the exit into the dry desert Sahara. All right, bring him in the track. There you go. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, this way, this way, this way. All right, fire truck made it out. That's one safe vehicle exit. Put them right here.
Mud.
There it is. We made it. It's the Palace of Ellis in the middle of the swamp. Ah! Good job, dude. Did you go through it? Yeah. Look at this one. Oh no! I'm gonna try to block your car. No one can get me. I'm the evil stick man. Watch out. I'm gonna get him out of here. Boop. Come here, truck. Big white car. Go over there. Dun, 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 dun. Stop, stop, stop. Yeah! You're making waves. All right.
Do the fire truck.
All right, to the fire truck. All right, look at him getting all clean. Oh, he's jumping. Woo. The Jeep's gonna jump with him. They're jumping. Ah. Can I jump too?
Yeah.
All right. Boom. Oh. Whoa. Big jump. Ah.
What's that stick?
Look at that stick. Whoa. Boom. Watch out, everybody. A big giant stick is coming. Woo. You dig really deep. And it's like a reservoir for water. Look at that. See how the water's going in? Oh, it's like an aqueduct where the water travels down. And you can control where it goes. Look at that.
Look in there.
There it goes. Perfect. Oh, it's almost like a water slide. Let me try to make another one. Come on, water, go in there. There it goes. It's seeping in. Look at that. Wow. Look at the water on this side. We're making side-by-side rivers. Cool, man. Maybe we should make one right down the middle, too. Wow. Get in there, water. All right, man.
Oh, Queen. That's a white pickup truck.
That's a grain pickup truck.
Stop. That's a blue pickup truck.
That's a blue one?
That's little blue.
That's a green army one. Oh no, one of our friends! I've been sitting on him the whole time! Praying mantis. You want him? Yeah, he's cute. Don't want to get wet. Okay. Oh, he made it across. Zuma, stay dry on the bridge. Dip, 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 dip. Oh, he made it across. Oh, blue truck. You standing on the bridge? All right, Ellis, stay dry. Good job balancing, dude. Okay, over here, little foundation. Whoa!
Jump.
You did jump. That's a big jump.
Oh.
Going up, 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 up. Want to help me, bud? So you grab.
Oh, there's a big tower.
There's a big tower. Here it comes. I'm building it.
Uh-oh.
We're gonna go really high.
I know how to know.
Huh?
A big tower.
It's a big tower?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna go higher. Oh, this looks pretty cool so far.
I'm on a mountain.
You're gonna climb the mountain? All right, Sharky.
I'm climbing on and running. What?
What do you think of Dad's tower so far, Ellis? Pretty good.
Ready? I'm gonna go.
Look at how high it's going. Oh man, you know what would be cool? Once we build a really tall tower, we can have cars jump off of it. Ugh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big, huge tower.
Big, huge tower of mud. I'm going higher. You want to help me build it higher? Grab some dirt. It almost looks like a volcano.
Volcano?
We could make it a volcano. I know. Watch this. So we'll go a little higher. We'll make a crater at the top for the lava to come out. Oh, dude, that'll be so cool. Watch this. All right, a little bit higher, a little bit higher. Okay, so here's the crater. Here's the crater.
That's going.
Oh, let's get some water. Put it in. Oh, man. Whoa, look at all the lava coming down. Big explosion! Big explosion! Ellis is doing a little yoga in the water. Pretty cool, dude. Whoa.
Is that mud yoga, Ellis?
Mud yoga.
I'm all muddy.
All right, I'm just making a mud cake. So what you want to do, Ellis, for your mud cake, you want to flatten it out. Look at my mud cake, bud. Got a little icing on top, little mud icing. Mmm, that looks good to eat. I eat that. You gonna jump? Boom, boom. King Ellis taking out the mountain one step at a time. Whoa, big jump. Look at your footprints. Those are huge.
A dinosaur.
That's like a dinosaur egg.
Look at that. Let's make it.
Whoa!
Let's make a volcano. Where's the volcano?
Where's the volcano? Hurry, hurry. Get it back, get it back, get it back, get it back. Volcano. There's the crater right there. And then let's get the lava. Get the lava. Get the lava. Ooh, it's oozing out. It's oozing out. Okay, get your dinosaur egg. Where do you want to put it? Right in the middle? All right. Let's wait for the dinosaur egg to hatch. Okay. Look, there's a tree growing from it too. Perfect. And another tree. Whoa, 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 whoa. Now if we wait just the perfect amount of time, the dinosaur egg will hatch. You ready? Okay, okay, okay. Say 3, 2, 1, hatch.
2, 1, hatch.
Out pops a baby Tyrannosaurus Rex!
T-Rex top shark.
Alright, T-Rex shark. Look at how the T-Rex is hanging on the log. Ah! No! He fell in! Hurry, save him! Oh man, I can't swim. I have such little arms. Oh. Move, don't move, watch this. Where are your feet? We're gonna bury you. Alright, a couple more here. Couple more there. Alright, Ellis. Time to get out, buddy. I'll pull you out. Grab onto my stick. Grab onto my stick. Hold on tight. Here we go. Oh, we got out. Oh, man. I thought you were stuck for good. You want to bury Daddy's feet with mud?
Yeah.
All right. Put mud on my feet. All right. Woo. More mud, more mud. Daddy has big feet. Good job. Don't forget about this foot over here. All right, man. Cool. Good job. How do I get out of here? Oh no! I need help. I need help.
Help him with the stick, Ellis.
Help me with the stick, bud. All right, I'm gonna hold on tight. Now you go that way. Pull me out. All right, here we go. Pull. Oh, thanks, dude. High five. All right, that's a mud high five. Woo, it's cold. Ready? Jump. Oh, cool.
Whoa, Ellis, look at your face. You have mud on your face. Are you covered in mud?
Covered in mud.
Stuck in the mud.
Who's stuck in the mud?
There's 2 of them.
One,
In the mud.
2. Oh. All right, send him across the lake. Oh no. Let's see if you can do it. Oh, yes, perfect. All right, dropping you off. Bye guys, thanks for watching us play in the mud. We got dirty and messy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. Woo. Bye.
I got all muddy.
Got all muddy. Oh, bye.